Hi, this is Vivek and she is my wife Shri. When we bought this flat and we wanted to do a proper designer of this flat, and we searched lot of interior designers before we met Jagrati ma'am. The other designers, they were not ready to go beyond a point towards a timeline or a budget. But when we met Jagrati ma'am, it was one of the right match for us. And when we had a discussion with her, during that discussion we found out that her knowledge, her taste of designing is matching with our taste. And then we finalized her, and we gone ahead with her. Initial phase, we had a lot of discussion around the layout of the flat, so that we can use proper or maximum space which is available in the flat. She provided us a lot of inputs on the layout, on the color scheme, and so on and so forth. And then we finalized the whole design of the flat. I would like to mention one thing, that during this process, due to some of our personal reasons, we had to stay away from Pune, and she ownerly took all the responsibilities of our flat and did all the execution. We did all the selection, which is like curtains, mattresses or tiles, colors online, and she gave us a lot of feedback that okay, we'll go with this, and we had a complete trust on her, and which is why that 4 months, 3 months of gap which we were not here, is we can see the result as of now. And she always used to say mala माझी site छान हवी असते, and that shows her passion about the work, and which is really overwhelming.
Okay, so when we met Jagrati ma'am first time, that was a right click for us, and we found her very much approachable, and she is very sincere about her work and commitment towards the client. And secondly, it is very rare in a design work when you see the 3D design and when you see the reality. So you try to compare those parameters, and we saw the 3D always better. But in our case, it's a completely different. Reality is more beautiful, and it's beyond our expectation. And secondly, it is something like satisfactory, and the all credit goes to Jagrati ma'am and her team. And one thing I want to mention here about the query, whenever I had a query, I just call up Jagrati ma'am and say, ma'am, can we change this color, or can we go with this color, or can we have that much changes? She always ready for that, and she never said no. And I saw her journey while making our home, like her planning, management, executions, and way she observed everything minutely, way she designed our home. For that we gave 10 out of 10, and our best wishes for her and her team, and we are very happy having her. And thank you, ma'am, for everything. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.